Lung sounds are important to know. Let's break them down simply so you can remember them easily. First up, crackles. They sound like Rice Krispie cereal. Think of the popping sound you hear when taking a deep breath. Next, wheezes. Picture the sound of the wind. It's a high-pitched whistle, often heard during exhalation. Then we have rhonchi. These are low-pitched sounds, kind of like a snoring sound. It happens due to secretions in larger airways. Finally, stridor. This one is like a crowing sound, heard when there's an obstruction in the airway. It's quite alarming. When you hear these sounds, just remember the fun comparisons. They'll help you remember which sound belongs to what condition.